Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024 Volkswagen GTI. In the realm of small sports sedans, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI stands out as a perennial favorite, blending performance, practicality, and iconic design. As the latest iteration of Volkswagen's legendary hot hatch, the GTI continues to uphold its reputation as a benchmark in the segment, offering enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience with everyday usability. Under the hood of the 2024 Volkswagen GTI lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering a spirited 241 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an available 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the GTI provides lively acceleration and responsive power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic handling, the GTI offers a spirited driving experience that is both engaging and enjoyable. But the GTI isn't just about performance, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional practicality and versatility. With its hatchback design, the GTI offers ample cargo space and flexible seating configurations, making it perfect for daily commuting, grocery runs, and weekend getaways. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long road trips, the GTI offers a comfortable and refined driving experience for both driver and passengers. In terms of design, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI exudes an air of sportiness and sophistication. Its iconic exterior styling, characterized by a distinctive front grille, aggressive body lines, and signature red accents, pays homage to the GTI's heritage while incorporating modern design elements. The GTI's sporty appearance is further complemented by 18-inch alloy wheels, dual exhaust outlets, and a rear spoiler, which add to its dynamic stance. Inside the cabin, the GTI offers a driver-centric environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Sport seats with bolstered support, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals create a race-inspired ambience, while advanced features like Volkswagen's infotainment system, digital cockpit, and smartphone integration provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI remains a top choice in the small sports sedan segment, offering a winning combination of performance, practicality, and iconic design. With its potent powertrain, dynamic handling, and versatile hatchback design, the GTI continues to set the standard for enthusiast-oriented compact cars. Whether tackling twisty backroads or running errands around town, the GTI promises an exhilarating and enjoyable driving experience for drivers of all skill levels.